What is up, YouTube? What's good? It's your boy Kenmore, Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, I will be embroidering a logo onto a hat. And this is going to be something personal. And this logo will be the All That logo. If you remember the 90s cartoon, or sorry about that, the 90s TV show, All That. So I'll be embroidering that on a hat. I previously did a design and video on this logo. It was a while back, and I just kind of revamped it a little bit so it can go into a hat. So once I get everything set up here, I want to upload it. So I have it right there, as you can see. Select it. It's going to flip it, and we're going to move it all the way to the end, and it's going to tell us all the colors that it needs. All I need is to change number 3, change that to a yellow, and we'll get started with the video. But everything else is simple, straightforward, to the point. So I'll probably show a little bit of me hooping the hat, and I will be using a more of a structured hat, which will be the foam, what you call a foam panel or a trucker hat. So I'll be using this hat to do the design on, just because it has a little bit of red in it. Kind of want to offset it a little bit. So yeah, I love these trucker hats. I definitely recommend them. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get everything set up and get this video started. Stay tuned. So right here I have my stabilizer roll. It was, of course, bigger than this, but it's lasted me a long time. I bought this probably around this time last year, and as you can see, it's still pretty much full. Just going to cut a piece out for the design. That should be perfect. As you can see, it'll go around this area, so that'll be perfect. Nothing more to it than that. Going to go ahead and get this started and start the hooping process. Oops. So there we go. Always make sure that the lip is up when doing this part. Always make sure that the lip is up, as you can see. Trying to make sure I get this straight. It's a line here that lines up with that line. Of course, it won't be 100% perfect, but try to get it as much as you can. And if it shifts, just push it over and kind of hold it when tightening it up. So that's good. You can go ahead and add your clips. The clips always work best to keep everything stable. And add the other side. Perfect, nice clean surface, smooth. And like I said, I love the foam hats just because it doesn't move a lot. It's almost similar to I would say maybe something like a snapback or a fitted hat, where it has that strong structure. So that's why these are great hats to use. I love these hats. I'm going to use these more often as well, especially with the business. But all I have to do now is put it on the hat placement and the cap hoop assessment and then get ready to start the design. So stay tuned for that. And if you're still here watching, do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Before I put the cap on, I'm going to go to this feature where I can oil the machine. It's been a minute since I oiled it. I know the last big project I had, I oiled it probably twice, so I'm gonna go ahead and oil this one, just a dab. Perfect. Just a small dab, and I don't know if you can see it. Might not be as clear, but just a small little dab. As you can see it going up. As you see it going up. As soon as it reaches the top, just a small dab. That's all you need. Then I'm going to press the button on the screen just to get everything back in order. Everything is snapped in place. Now all I have to do is find the middle seam with the design. So I'm going to go over. Looks to be middle. Kind of check by using this right here. Zoom in a little bit more so you can see. So this is the middle. Let's see. Looks perfect. Look like it's straight all the way down the middle. So we're going to go with that. Perfect. And get everything started. Go ahead and start the design up. So definitely stay tuned. If you guys would like to, in the comment section below, put what is your favorite 90s TV show. Put that down in the comment section below. I definitely favored All That. And from All That came Kenan and Kel, if I'm not mistaken. And that was one of my favorite shows growing up, was Kenan and Kel. Especially Kel loving that orange soda. Might make a hat on that too. So you never know. Just stay tuned. But that was one of my favorite TV shows, was Kenan and Kel. So what's your favorite TV show from the 90s, whether it be Nickelodeon, cartoon, Disney, whatever? Go ahead, put that down in the comment section below. Design looking good, coming out clean. Stitches look great. Not mad at it, no complaints. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. And if you had a choice of a outfit to wear with it, what would you wear? What's the jacket looking like? What's the pants? What's the shoes? What's the accessories? What you would rock with it? I mean, it's throwback, so let me know, guys, down in the comment section below. And hey, guess what? The design is all done. Everything is finished embroidering. I'm going to take everything out of the hoop, show you guys the final result. And yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Came out real clean, real good. A bit of focus. There we go. Came out nice. Real good. See a little red showing, not a big deal. Add a little pull comp, that'll be perfect. But for the most part, came out real good. Feel like I got it as far as straightness, as far as lined up, as far as the seam, look nice. And yeah, came out pretty clean. Like I said, I love these foam panel hats, or trucker hats as you will call it. But these are amazing. I love the structure. I just love how it's very stable on when trying to embroider on it. Love them. So, any questions, any comments, put them down in the comment section below. That'll be the end of this video. As always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out, guys. Peace.